And now, your Valley Storm Team forecast.
Well, since it's the first of the month, figured we'd take a little look into the future. Next 90 days, the Climate Prediction Center's looking at the precipitation trends, and generally it's putting us actually in the normal range of things for the amount of rain that we might be receiving over the next 90 days. Temperature-wise, though, probably a little above average for us, so it'll be a little normal for rain, a little above normal possibly for our temperatures over the next 90 days. Taking a look at satellite radar, lots of shower activity across all of South Texas, and that does include us here in the valley. We've got a little tail end of an old frontal boundary that's hanging around, and we'll continue to sink a little further to the south, and then the tail end of it actually stretches on our direction by the day tomorrow. That'll help stir up the atmosphere a little bit and give us a fairly decent chance of some scattered showers. A couple of them could get a little less strong at times. We'll zoom in a little bit better and take a look at our future cast for tomorrow. And by the morning, we're starting off in the upper 70s across much of the valley with a fair amount of clouds. So some sun that'll heat us up a little bit, and by noontime, we're starting to see the shower activity starting to pop up, and it increases quite a bit more as we head through the afternoon. This model shows quite a bit of it indeed, with temperatures a little cooler where we get the rain, a little warmer where we don't get the rain. Overall rainfall totals, not expecting anything extreme, but again, we could get a quick heavy downpour with some of the thunderstorms, so don't be surprised if you get a quick inch and a quarter, and a little street ponding with that type of activity. The Storm Prediction Center is putting us in the general thunderstorm category, so we're not anticipating any severe weather, just maybe a strong thunderstorm or two mixed into things. So for our rain chances for the week, here's how it's shaping up. Pretty good for tomorrow, not so much Wednesday. We dry things out. And then, sorry to say this, but by the weekend, we're back to the scattered shower activity once again. But we could still use quite a bit of rain throughout the region. Here's how things are looking for tonight. Those mid to upper 70s as our average lows overnight. The chances of rain starting to sneak back in a little more as we head into the early morning hours. And then tomorrow, low to mid 90s to the east, mid 90s for the upper valley, and upper 90s as you head into Starr County. And again, depending upon when and where the showers actually fall, that'll impact some of our highs for the day tomorrow. At the island tomorrow, 84 for a high with those partly cloudy skies, and be weather aware when you're out at the beach tomorrow if you are heading that direction. Lightning will travel quite the distance. Remember that. Now we're keeping an eye out on that little tropical wave there just off the African coast. Hurricane Center says somewhere in this orange blob over the next week we might see some development, 50% chance of seeing that. So it's something for us to keep an eye on. In the meantime, for our next 7 days, good chance of rain for our day again tomorrow. Maybe a lingering shower on Wednesday. It's Thursday and Friday when we really get to dry things out and then prepare for the next round of rain next weekend. And that's a look at your forecast.